Okay, now we're going to calculate the distance, what the distance should be between each electrode in the central transverse plane, okay? So that goes up from the preauricular points up around, up through the top of the head and down to the other preauricular point. So this scheme is basically the same as the sagittal plane. It's the same, between each electrodes, it's the same. So the from the left preauricular point measurement through CZ to the right preauricular point measurement was 33 centimeters on this mannequin, but I'm going to just do that again just to make sure. I think we had 33 when we measured earlier. And yes, it's 33, okay? So from the left preauricular point to the T3 electrode, it should be 10% of the left preauricular point to the right preauricular point measurement, okay? All right, so it should be 10%. So if we measure that, it's about 3.4 centimeters, okay? From T3 to C3, it should be 20% of the left preauricular point to right preauricular point measurement. Okay, so if it was 3.3 times 2 would be 6.6. So it should be about 6.6 centimeters from T3 to C3. And it's exactly 6.6 centimeters, okay? From C3 to CZ, again, it should be 20% of that measurement, okay? So let's measure that, and that is 6.5 centimeters. So that's almost exactly right. Okay, now if we go to the other side, we can keep going. From CZ to C4 should be 20% of the left preauricular to the right preauricular point measurement. Again, so it should be 6.6. And this one is, excuse me, this one is 6.8. Okay, so we're 2 millimeters off, which isn't bad at all. And then lastly, from but from C4 to T4, it should be 20%. So let's measure that. So that should be 6.6. On this one, it's 6.4, okay? So this one's probably shifted down. The C4 one is probably shifted down just about 2 millimeters, but that's not bad at all. And then lastly, from T4 to the right preauricular point, it should be 10% of the left preauricular point to the right preauricular point measurement. And let's see what we got. And that's right about 3.3, okay, centimeters. Okay, so that's what the distance is. So if we add these up, it's 10, 20, 20. That's 50% on the left side. And if you go on the right, it's 10, 20, 20. That's 50% on the right side. So that's 100% of the left preauricular point to the right preauricular point measurement, okay?